Guys, I promise you guys, like this lipstick here, like I feel like you guys might not be able to see the mishap, but the mishap is quite deep because like with what I'm looking at right now, I don't know, but yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back to Madeline's Avenue. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Madeline. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button because I mean, like, I don't have to repeat this every single video for the 60% of you that keep on coming here but are not subscribed. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. You clicked on this, you're gonna be here and you want to be here, and like that's the tea. So like just stay. Do you feel? And if you are a returning visitor and a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. So in today's video I will be giving you guys like an update on how I edit my pictures. I think the last one I did was 2017. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I think that was when I did it. And yeah, I'm just going to be giving you guys like an updated version of how I edit my pictures and the apps that I use to edit my pictures. And I feel like now is even a really good time because I actually did take some pictures this afternoon, so we're gonna edit them together and I'll be posting this on my Instagram maybe tomorrow. Yeah, so yeah, let us get into this thing here called a phone. So the apps that I use to edit, I'm gonna do like a screen record for you guys to see it as I'm talking. But the apps that I use to edit under photo and video, I promise you, like, I don't use all these apps here, but just bear with me, okay? The apps that I really use to edit are RetroCam, PixArt sometimes, Facetune. I also recently, well not recently because I always used Lightroom and Photoshop Mix or Photoshop Express, but I stopped using it. When did I stop using this? Like I can't even remember, but I just have not used it for a while, but I recently just started using it back. So the first app that we're going to go into is Lightroom. And where's the picture? Okay, I have to upload the pictures, so I'm just gonna go to favorites because I feel like that's where like all of the good stuff is. And then we're just gonna take like the top row, right? I mean, we're obviously not going to edit everything, and I also want to do like some selfies as well so that you guys can see how you can like make your pictures more like, I guess, smoother and cleaner. So I'm just gonna pick one of these selfies. Sorry guys, I just took these today, so yeah, I don't know how I feel about them, but we just have to use them. So okay, so I always do auto in terms of like the lighting and everything, so I just went ahead and clicked auto. I don't think it's bright enough for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of tweak it to, you know, my preference. I really like it when my pictures are like very vibrant. So I'm gonna put the exposure at 50 and take my contrast to, you know, around that same amount, just to kind of like give it the same, just like bring out the color more. To be very honest, I'm more about color. If you know any of the people that have actually taken pictures with me or taken pictures of me that are like photographers and stuff, I always let them know like I like it when my pictures are vibrant. If you guys know Caesar of the 90s, he's a really good photographer and he plays a lot with saturation. You guys should definitely check him out. Like I really like his stuff so much. And then I go to color. I don't touch any of the like whites and blacks and stuff. I just feel like auto does a good job with that, so I'm just not going to touch any of that. But I'm going to go in with the vibrance because I really want to bring out that orange color and also the orange in the trees. So we're going to take it up to like maybe 30, right? And with how it's looking right now, it literally looks like it was the sunniest day ever. Not sunniest day, but like it looks very bright. And compared to how it was like before, I'm just going to take this down to like 40 because I really want the colors to show. Yeah, can you guys see the difference? I'm gonna try and do like a I guess if I, yeah, so this is before and this is after. Before, after. Yeah, so then I will just go ahead and save that. Save it to camera roll, maximum available. I always pick maximum available. So from Photoshop I go into, I think it's Photoshop Mix, because, oh actually I'm not going to need Photoshop Mix for right now, because Photoshop Mix or Photoshop Express is what I will use when I'm taking like a selfie and I want to just like make sure that my face is smooth and everything just looks good. So the next thing I'm gonna go into is retro cam. Okay, this is just for like full pictures, full body pictures, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get that picture. And what I'm gonna do is touch up on like the sharpness, like how sharp the picture is. I take it up to like 5. Sometimes I even go overboard and like literally take it higher, but this is it before. I know you guys might not be able to see the difference that much, but this is it after, and I really like that difference. Then with vibrance, I also go in with vibrance as well. Like I said, guys, I love like when my pictures are very vibrant. So I'm gonna take this to like a 10. Like, do you guys see how like this was it before and this is it after? You guys might not see the difference, but I promise you I can see it. Even if you take the vibrance up a lot more, like I feel like you would see the difference more. So this is it before and this is it after. I feel like I like this vibrance. Trust me, I'm very crazy with like how much color my picture has. Like it's like that deep. So yeah, I just use retrocam to do, if I say retrocam, I use retrocam to do a lot of sharpness and vibrance, and I just use Lightroom to kind of bring out the light in the picture. So the next thing I'm going to go in to do, I'm going to do the selfie. So I'm going to go ahead and do auto light as well, and then I'm going to go in with light, kind of expose it as much as I want it to be. Maybe we can give it like 30. I feel like most of these things are just to your own preference, so you can tweak it as much as you want to. I'll probably bring this up to like maybe 20 because I want there to be like, I want you to see the difference between like the dark parts of my face and also the light parts. Maybe 25, right? Because yeah, so this should be okay for me. Then I go to color, pump up the vibrance just a little bit because I feel like we're still going to play with that in maybe 25. We're going to play with that in retrocam. So yeah, so I do this, I save it, save the camera roll, maximum available, and then I would go to Photoshop Fix. So we're gonna close everything. Yes, this is one of the selfies that I worked on. So we're gonna go back. Not now, relax. Okay, so I'm gonna bring in the picture. So you can see how the picture is right now. We haven't played with retrocam or anything. So we're gonna go into, I believe it is smooth. And then you see that place where it says face, you just tap on face and then wow, no face detected. This is my whole face. Okay, go back. Or I mean, you could also use like your hands to do the smoothing yourself. So I'm gonna do the smoothing myself here, but I'm also going to show you how you can do like an auto, smooth. So sometimes I go ahead and just like smoothing out the whole picture, but I mostly make sure that like my face is the part that's really smooth. So you can see the difference between that and that. I hope you guys can see the difference because I can. So then I would say that. And sometimes, yeah, if you guys want to like play with how hard it is, you can reduce the hardness. But if you reduce the hardness like all the way to 0, like you're not going to get any difference. And then if you want to reduce the opacity too, you can do that. But I always keep it like at a 50-50. So we're going to try this with like everything at 50-50. So I'm going to take that out and just undo everything. And we're going to go back and smooth, make sure that the size can be 30, the hardness is 50, and the opacity is 50. And we're just going to go ahead and smoothen everything out. I always smoothen out the whole picture because what's the point of only doing your face? Like you might as well just make the whole picture smooth. So this is it, 50-50, and we're going to look at the difference between it being 50-50 and just like what it was before. And I don't remember what it was before, so I apologize. So this is 50-50 and this is it. This is 50-50. This is, I believe it's higher than 50-50 because you can really see like where it's like where it has really done the job, right? So from here we're gonna go into retrocam. Oh, actually wanted to show you guys how to do it, like when it detects your face. Well, okay, I'll just import the picture again. Are you okay? Right here, I'll just use this one. Okay, so we're gonna click on smooth and click on face, and then you can tell the difference. So this was it before and this is it after. This is it before, this is it after. Like you can clearly tell the difference. So if it has your face detected, it can do like an auto smooth for you, and that would be really, really good. So now that we're done with the selfie, we're gonna go in and okay, I think we have to reopen this. Yeah, we're gonna go to adjust. We're gonna start with the sharpness. I always like starting with sharpness because I feel like that is better. So I think like this 5 is okay, and then go to vibrance, like take it to like maybe 5 as well, because I don't want to lose just like my skin tone and just like. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened to my camera, it just stopped recording. But we put the sharpness at 5. I always keep it at 5 because I just don't want it to be too sharp and it's just like really bad. And then we take the vibrance up to like maybe 10, and yeah, that looks fine to me. So we would save that. I'm going to give you guys an additional thing that I do with my pictures. If you guys have noticed, I have this Pantone type of theme on my Instagram for the month of October, and I'm just going to show you guys how I like do that. So in my photo and videos collection, I have the Pantone Studio, and when I open that up, so basically what Pantone does is whichever picture you select, it's just going to bring out the color themes, so the different colors in it, like the different color tones in it, it's just going to bring it out, and these are the color tones. But one thing Pantone does is that it also reduces the quality of the picture. So when I save this, like you can see how sharp it is right now, so I save it, and then yeah, so I pick that one, I click share, and then save the image. So now it has saved the image in my photos album. Where is that? Yeah, right here. But I feel like the quality has reduced. So what I do, like I said, retro cam is used to bring out like the sharpness of my pictures. So we're gonna open recents again, bring that in, and then just adjust it in terms of the sharpness. Like you can even just bring it up to 1, and that's like perfectly fine, because it just reduced the quality by a little bit. And yeah, so this is just how I edit my pictures. This is the first picture and this is the before. Well, actually this is not the before, this is it with Lightroom before any of the addition of the lights and all that good stuff, and this is it after. And then with the selfie as well, I believe this is it from before, and this is it after. So yeah, this is just how I did my pictures. I mostly use this app just to, not these apps, but these apps just to increase the brightness, bring out more colors. Guys, I love colors so much. I love so much vibrance in my images. So if you see like a lot of colors in my images, like I promise you that is my own doing, and I love it that way. So yeah, I just do this to bring out the colors in all my images. And yeah, I just really love this so much. Like I love using these apps. One other app that I'm going to suggest that you try out is PixArt. I recently just found out like a way to kind of actually really have fun with this app, and I think I'm going to use this for November. So I'm just going to do like a quick edit, right? Just a quick picture. I mean, let's just use this one, right? You can add like different themes to just make it like more aesthetically pleasing, or just give your feed like something different. So if you go to stickers, so one thing I was playing was with windows, because my friend told me about it. So you have like different windows themes here, right? So you open this, like if I pick that, you can get like this kind of like windows type of feel, like if you're playing, in case like you're playing with like the Paint app or things like that. I just feel like it's something new and something different to actually try out. You can also add text to this. If you click apply, you can add text to it. Just say like what, Barbie doll or something, I don't know. But just like, I just feel like it's a good place place to actually like play with your pictures, like actually have fun with it. And it can be a different text, it can be in like different colors. I just feel like Pixar is like a place to create your own, like literally create something, not just to work on like making it brighter, just to actually like have fun with it. And I feel like this is definitely a good app to try out if you're looking for something new for your feed. Not necessarily new, but something very different and unique. But yeah, I cannot wait to actually use Pixar. This is definitely on my radar for the month of November. But yeah, guys, this is how I did my pictures. I'm going to put up the before and after pictures of both of these, you know, pictures that I edited. I don't even know what's wrong with me this evening. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys really did like it and if you found that it was very helpful, do let me know. If you guys want more editing videos or just apps that I use to edit, do let me know. One thing I'm gonna say that I would advise when it comes to editing your pictures is don't necessarily look for what is the standard of an Instagram picture. More so look for what is it that makes me feel comfortable, like what am I okay with posting, what am I okay with showing the world. So don't really look for how bright your picture should be or how dark it should be or how vibrant it should be. I just feel like everyone should kind of pick their own aesthetic, like pick your own plan, pick your own ideas, like look for what works for you. Don't try and make sure that your feed looks like another person's feed, if that makes sense. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to play around with these apps, that is Pantone, what's it called, Retro Cam, Lightroom, Photoshop Fix, and yeah, I think those are the apps that I'm using right now, and also Pixar. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and let me know what videos you'd like to see on my YouTube channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys. Oh guys, also check out my Instagram feed. If you see anything that you like there, any picture that like you liked specifically and you want me to show you guys how I edited those pictures, please feel free to say so and I will actually start working on that. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.